Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Pick a reputable VPN app and sign up using email and a secure password. Read the privacy policy and confirm no logging of activity. Decide if you want a subscription plan, such as monthly or 1 year, and enter payment details. Prepare your device by freeing 100 MB of storage and enabling system updates before installing. Note whether the provider offers Open VPN or WireGuard protocol options for faster connections. Keep your account credentials in a secure password manager for later use. Install the VPN app from the official store and grant required permissions. Open the app and sign in using the account email and secure password you created. Choose a protocol like WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for wider compatibility with services. Enable the kill switch and auto-connect features to protect traffic on public Wi-Fi networks. If available, enable split tunneling to route specific apps outside the VPN. Confirm app permissions include VPN permission and background network. Connect to a nearby server for best speed or choose a specific country for content access. Tap Connect and allow the VPN permission prompt to create the secure tunnel on your device. Verify your new IP address and run a DNS leak test within 60 seconds to confirm protection. If the connection fails, switch the protocol from WireGuard to OpenVPN and try again. Restart the app or reboot the device if issues persist. Keep the app updated and contact support when persistent connection errors occur.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.